god, you can't fit.
Hi, I'm David, the Director of Guided Surgery Division in Real-Time Dental Lab. A surgical guide is one of the best tools when it comes to single implant placement. But when it comes to posterior region, issue might happen. One of the most common issue when it comes to posterior region implant placement is the guided drill is too long to fit in the back. And the main reason for that is a guided drill is usually longer than a regular drill. How can we solve them? The first one, of course, just freehand the surgery. So what if we still want to proceed with a surgical guide? There's some solution for that. The first you can do is start your drill as a shorter drill. That should give you a better fit inside. And the second solution for that is to put your guided drill into the surgical guide first and then put it in the patient's mouth. And if that doesn't work, there's still something we could do while designing the surgical guide. The first is to reduce the prolongation of the guided sleeve. So with this, you only need a shorter guided drill, and of course, you have more clearance for that guided drill to fit in. And the second solution while designing is where DAS guided kit really shines. So DAS guided system provides two guided sleeves. The one is conventional one. The second one is the DAS cut sleeve. So the DAS cut sleeve has a side opening, so it will allow you have more clearance for the guided drill to get in. So if you want to learn more about surgical guide design in the posterior region, here's the webinar. So in this webinar, I'm going to show you how to design a surgical guide in the posterior region using RealGUIDE implant software and the DAS cut guided sleeve. Click the link to save your spot, and I'll see you in the webinar.
The DAS guided system for you.